Two friends talking.
Well, what are you going to do? You have been offered two different dynamic roles. One as an athlete and one as a lover. In two different movies. I was really hoping to take the former role. But they want me to sign a contract for 3 years and I have to let them know of my decision by tomorrow. But if I accept the role of a lover, then I am free to work in other projects alongside. Sounds like it would be a foolish risk to turn down the role of an athlete. A bird in the hand is worth two in the bush after all. Two colleagues talking.
We have only a fixed amount in the budget to allocate to either the customer loyalty program or to spend on attracting new customers. What do you think we should do?
Well, it takes between 4 and 10 times as much to attract new customers as it does to keep existing ones. Plus, loyal customers spend more than new ones.
So you would advise allocating the money to the customer loyalty program.
I believe that a bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. Besides, there is no guarantee that we would even attract any new customers. I believe the risk is too great. We should stick with what we have.